Today we have a 2018 Toyota Highlander SE all-wheel drive. This Highlander comes with alloy 19-inch wheels and a sports suspension. It's also going to incorporate an upgraded leather bolstered seat. So we've got a leather center there with a nice trim going right down the center of the seat. The seats are also going to be heated as well. This vehicle comes with navigation, Bluetooth audio. It also features the Toyota Safety Sense features, radar cruise control, advanced braking, lane detection, automatic high beams. This specific model is going to incorporate 2 captain chairs in the second row. It's got a fold-up center cup holder. The back row can flip all the way down flat, or it can be upright. The full third row can actually be tilted back and forth. The second row can actually be moved front to back to incorporate more legroom for the third row as well.